Hey everyone, welcome back to Code with Lasa. Let's be real, normal icons are boring. You can use them, but let's be honest, they don't grab attention, they don't feel interactive, and they just look outdated. So, what's the solution? Animated icons. They make your design look smooth, modern, and professional. And today, I'll show you exactly how to use them with an amazing free tool called Lordicon. By the end of this video, you'll know how to find and customize animated icons, how to download them or link directly to your project, how to add them using simple HTML. Ready? Let's go. Step 1. Open your browser and go to Lordicon.com. You'll land on the homepage where you'll see icon family packs and a search bar at the top to quickly find what you need. Let's use the search bar to find an icon. I'll type checkmark, and bam! A list of icons appears. Step 2. Now, here's where things get cool. On the left side, you'll see filter options. This helps you pick the exact style you want. Styles: outline, flat, gradient, regular, solid, you name it. Free paid. Want only free icons? Just check the box. Animation type. Pick from in, hover, loop, morph animations. Categories: icons for popular topics, animals, UI elements, and more. I'll pick outline style, free icons, and loop animation. Now I've got exactly what I need. Step 3. Click on the icon, and at the bottom, there's a big button with 3 dots. Click it and select how you want to save, like GIF, MP4, WebP, Lottie, or Embed. I highly recommend using the Embed option. It's the easiest way to add the icon without downloading anything. Click Embed, and if the code doesn't pop up, click Embed HTML again. Now, a pop-up appears where you can. Select an animation type. Hover, click, loop, etc. Set the icon size pixels, click Copy HTML, and paste it directly into your project. One important tip: each embed code includes a script link. You only need to add this once per project. If you're using multiple icons, just paste their icon code without repeating the script tag. And that's it. You just learned how to find free animated icon, customize them for your needs, easily add them to your projects. Lordicon is super easy to use and makes your UI look next-level professional. Try it out today at Lordicon.com. Let me know in the comments if you found this helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell.